Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I went ahead, took the car for a cruise. Everything works. It was one of two things. It was either the wire harness in the transmission, the internal wire harness, or it was the 1, 2, and 2, 3 shift solenoids A and B. I just took it cruising. You'll see the footage here in a little bit. It pulls, and it pulls hard. Every shift I can feel it's firm. Now cruising, the car is not at 3,600 RPM. It's actually at, I'd say, 70 mile an hour or so. I'm at like 2,300 RPM. Air-fuel ratio is under throttles like 10.2, 10.4. The car doesn't want to, when we were trying to troubleshoot the issue, we were tuning the car in second gear, and so now when it's in first or anything low, it just doesn't want to idle. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. There it goes, it died again, but I'll go right there. He's working.
Hey,